Sir, I have joined the session.
Okay. It is coming waiting for your name. Okay, no worries. Lakshmi, you have issues with some software update session. Uh,
Yes, sir.
what is
Yeah, I'm
the
lacking.
question? Yeah.
Actually, I had some laptop issue, so I
Okay.
couldn't go parallelly on Thursday class. So I was waiting for the recording, but I did not get recording due to some technical reasons.
Okay.
Srinivas is out of station. So
Okay.
even yesterday's class, I could not go parallel because it is linked up with the previous session.
Okay.
So I'm lacking altogether with two classes.
Okay. Fine, no issues. So I will cover those things, not today, but maybe in the coming days. I'll be after the session. We both will be sitting together and we'll finish it off whatever is left. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
fine. I have started the recording for this class. The
Okay.
session is being recorded. Yesterday's session was recordings. You guys received, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, we have received.
Okay, now query and reporting. So give me a minute, please. Okay, so query and report. Query is like you want to find out something, and reporting you need to present it in a report to your management or you for your reference or something like that. Now I will um, request everyone to go to monitoring section here in SCCM console. So you have queries there. Yeah, these are the default queries available by SCCM, that all system, all mobile devices, all user groups, all user. So I would request everyone to just double click on these, randomly run 4 to 5 queries and just check what happens. So all jail broken and rooted device. So you don't have any of those mobile devices. So that is the reason you did not get any queries. All system you probably get all the computers, all mobile devices you won't get anything. These are the systems available. Just run randomly other queries. So understood how the queries we can run. Now these are the default queries. Now what about the custom query? Okay, so I'll show you how to create your custom query. For example, there is a requirement to requirement is to have your uh, is to find out is to find out the number of computers with a particular application. For example, with 7-zip application, what all computers are there with 7-zip. So you can create your custom query. So right click on queries and click on create query. Yes, type in computer with 7-zip. Then you need to edit the query statement. What is the query you are writing? You need to edit. Yeah. Now the general section is for the result. In the result, what all things you want to get, the criteria what you are looking for, and join what are the tables, because queries is like data. You are querying the database and you are joining multiple tables, and then you are getting your result. So general is the result section, what you want to get. Okay, so um, click on the yellow icon. So in general, for example, I want the computer name, so select attribute is fine. Select resource, can you, attribute should be name, so name. Yeah, no, the attribute class, no, cancel this, cancel, 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 cancel. I said cancel. Yeah, now click on select. System resource is the computer class. That means, like, your, for example, uh, myself. Okay, so I have multiple attributes, like my name is one of the attributes, my email address is one of the attributes, my phone number is one of the attributes. Okay, my city address, these are the attributes. So system resource is one of the class, and then you have multiple attributes inside it. So you need to click on the attribute and choose your name. Yeah, so system resource will have a name there, so name will be your computer name. Yes, click OK and click OK. So in the result section, I'll get computer name only if I choose this name, but I need something else as well. So click on the yellow icon again and select. In attribute, choose IP address. For example, I need to know the computer IP address as well. IP address. Click OK. Click on the yellow icon again and choose domain. Yeah, what all things we need. For example, we need to have let's say hardware ID. Click OK. Okay, so these are the, in the result section we will get this one, but our main criteria is to find out the computers with 7-zip, right? So go to criteria and click on the yellow icon and click on select and attribute class installed application. Do you have installed application? Yes, choose that one, and in attribute look for the name, display name, click OK and equal to, click on value, click on value. Do you have 7-zip in the list? No, do you have in the 7-zip in the list? Okay. Why we are not getting 7-zip? Because it's a 64-bit application. So cancel this. Now click on select on the top and take the 64-bit installed application, class. We have two class for installed application. One is 64-bit, one is 32-bit. So we have chosen 32-bit. We will choose the second one. Yes, that one. And now attribute display name. Okay. Now look for value. You will get 7-zip there. First one. Very good. Click OK. So what we are choosing here is in the criteria that give me the list of computers which has installed application 64-bit, 7-zip is installed on those computers. So click OK and click on OK here and click next. So in the backend, this query is created. This is the WQL query, select SMS R system. So we are taking computer name, then our system IP address. We are taking IP address, then our system um, hardware ID. We are taking three things from a table called SMS underscore R system, and then we are joining the table, two tables. So program file 64-bit and RG system, both the tables are joining with resource ID, and then we are getting our result that only this give me the computer which has 7-zip installed. I don't want any other computers information. So next, close it. Now run the double click on that computer with 7-zip. You will get the list of computers on which 7-zip is installed. Also you will get IP address, three things we have chosen: database, the computer name, IP address, and hardware ID. Is that good enough to understand? Anyone has any doubts, any question on the concept? Okay, very good. Now create one more query with the software file. For example, I'm looking for computer with which has uh, mm, which has more than 2 gigabyte of RAM or more than 3 gigabyte of RAM. I'm looking for those computer. So computer, type in computer more than 3 gigabyte of RAM, greater than 3 gigabyte of RAM. So in your organization, for example, you have thousands and thousands of computer, and your manager wants to know which are the computer which has 4 gigabyte of RAM or more than 3 gigabyte of RAM, something like that. So edit query statement. Now in the results section, what you need to know, you will click on the yellow icon, select and take name there. So the I will have my computer name. Click OK. And the criteria, main is our criteria. Yes. So the class we need to click on select, where the class this time we will take as not system resource but physical memory. So RAM has multiple things like its capacity, its manufacturer name, its these are the attributes of RAM. Capacity, the capacity is there on the top, I think. Can you bring the little bit down? Yeah, capacity, right. Fine, click OK. And I want to have greater than and equal to. Choose that operator, greater than and or equal to, and click on value. So take 3072. So any computer which is greater than and equal to 3072 RAM will be shown up here. Click OK. Next, next, close it. Now go to queries, run that query. Okay, so all these three computers are having more than 3 gigabyte of RAM or equal to 3072. Understood? Any confusion? Indu, is there any, do you have any doubts? Okay, so let's create one more query. Lakshmi, are you doing as well?
No, sir.
Why? You can do this, right? This is not related to
I
the
think.
previous session.
Okay. Actually, I thought it's somewhere linked and I
No,
didn't know
it's
it.
not linked at all. Even though the previous session, what we did in the last session, it was not linked. Uh,
Okay.
Endpoint protection, and we did the configuration item.
Okay. So just help me out with the Thursday class, sir. So the
Fine.
rest of the classes I'll manage with recordings.
Sure, sure. Okay, I'll help you with the Thursday class, but you do this side by side because this is not related to the previous session at all. This is the new topic we
Okay.
are discussing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. So this is also getting recorded. So in case you want to follow, you can. The session is being recorded. Yes. Now let's create one more query with the. For example, I need to know the computer with a particular computers with processor details. Processor details. Edit query statement. Yeah, the general section is for the resulting section. What all details you want to get in the result? Computer name, IP address, MAC address, that depends on you. So we will go with only a name of the computer. So attribute name. Okay. Now criteria. What we are looking for? We are looking for select. Do we have processor here? Processor. Check that one. Yeah. Attribute. Do we have capacity or speed? Do we have speed or speed is not there? Maximum clock speed or norm speed. You can take norm speed or number of cores. Let's go with number of cores. Yeah, click OK. So how many core processor we have, and click on greater than and equal to and value. So yeah, click one. Yeah. So I want to know the number of compute. I want to know all the computers for which the on which the core processor is at least one or more than one. Okay, so it will list those things. Next, finish. Close it and run the query again. Okay, understood. Now let's create one more query. So everyone will create. I want to have the list of all the computers where Silverlight is installed. Yeah, do it on your own, please. It is same as 7-zip. Everyone do it on your own. Let me know who has done it. Anyone could complete it. That will be there in installed application. Installed application. Criteria, go to criteria, select. So there are two installed application section, right? So if you did not find in one of them, so take the other one. You did not find in that one. Yeah, Bhargavi got it. Very good, Bhargavi. Go up, go up, go up. hmm Go up. Yes, take that one. Install application. Apart from Bhargavi, anyone? Silverlight is right there. I can see it. Okay, you got it. That's how you can create your query. Okay. I want to find out all the computers where SQL is installed. Microsoft SQL Server. Can you create that one? Create a query where Microsoft SQL Server is installed. I mean, the list of computers where Microsoft SQL Server is installed. And in the results section, I need computer name, I need IP address, I need MAC address, I need last logon name, last logon user. Four things I need: IP, MAC, computer name, and last logon. No, not timestamp, not timestamp. Last logon username. You probably need to go to the X64. Very good, Bhargavi. Very good. Yeah, Microsoft SQL Server 2012. You can take that one. Yeah. Okay. It is installed only on the database. Why it is coming to? Because it is there in two location in that computer. That's the reason it is coming like that. But last login name did not come. Okay. IP address you got, MAC address you got, but last login is blank. Okay, that's not a problem. Anyone has any question? Okay. Now these are the things which you can do. So assignment for you to find out the computers which has 512 RAM, which has RAM speed 512. Okay, list down all the computers. The second assignment, list down all the computers uh, with the processor speed, the norm speed you can take, or the maximum clock speed you can take for that. Then list of computers on which a particular application is installed, that we have already done. You can define what application you are looking for. Okay, what else? So you can create multiple queries based on your choice, and you can do that. Done. Anyone has any question before we move on to the next topic? Indu, Saichan, Trimal, Manasa, Lakshmi, everyone clear? Very good. Now we'll move on. This was the query. Now we will move on to the reporting section, the next topic. Okay. Now I want everyone to close the console and open it again. Go to monitoring section. Now click on reporting. Now c- currently, yeah, click on reports. Give me 1 minute, somebody at my door. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, so reports. How to enable the report? Currently, the report is not enabled. That is the reason you are saying no items found. So what you will do, you need to enable one of the roles here that is called reporting services point. You need to install that one. Then only the reports will be available here. So go to administration, everyone. Go to administration and click on site configuration, and then click on sites. Now right click on IND Hyderabad and install add site system role. We need to install one role, so add site system role. uh, Browse, and reporting services point can be installed on the database because the database contains the report. So choose the database.pepsi.com, click OK, and go next. Go next. Now choose reporting services point in the list and go next. Now just verify, click on verify. Successfully verified. Now it is asking who will be having the reporting services credential. Who will be the SQL administrator to access the report? Who will have the access for the report? So click on set in the username, existing account, and choose your account. So this guy will have access to for the reports. Next, click next, click close. So we have installed one role on database. Now SCCM will integrate with the database and will bring all the reports, the default reports. Like you have queries already, right? There were around uh, 15 queries, default queries were there. You created your custom query. Similarly, you will have your default reports coming in a moment. Okay. Now you will see all the reports coming in like 10 minutes. Okay, so click on monitoring. See, the reports are coming in. There are so many reports still yet to come. Okay, like all drivers. So double click on that one. All collections. Double click on that one. You will get to know. No drivers found. So it is blank. Close this. Double click on all collections. These are the collections which are available. Okay, XYZ, all user, Hindu. Close that. All uh, application deployments, basic. Yeah, try that one. Okay, so you need to fill this out and then you will get the report. So these are the things you can perform. Cancel this. Go down, go down, go down. Look for all packages, package and program deployments. Let's see that one. Nothing. Sir, I did not get any report. No worries. Wait for some time. You will get it. Cancel. All software companies. Try that one. Video LAN. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. Go down. Um, Go down. Compliance one. Take that one. Uh, yeah. You cancel this one. Sorry. You can go with compliance history, computer malware details, specific modem manufacturer, computer installed, assigned but not installed for particular site. Yeah, click on that one. Oh, first one, compliance one, overall compliance, and choose update group. Click on value. Yeah, choose that one. August 2017. Click on that one. Click OK. Collection, all system, all system. So you want to find out whether every computer got this deployment or not. Is it compliant or not? Review report. All system 3 and all compliant 100%. Okay. So you can also export in Excel. So you have save as option next to 100% on top. Go up, go no, below. Yeah, next to 100% you have, yeah, click on the export option. Yeah, click on export option. You have Excel, PowerPoint, yeah, Excel, PDF, CSV, Word. You can export that one as well and present to your management. Okay, cancel this one. Okay, then computer specific software update, specific computer, go down. Yeah, computer that have run a metered program, but yeah, double click on rule name. What rule I think you have created for 7-zip? So choose that 7-zip. Value month, take the month 8, click OK, and take the year 2017, click OK, and view report. It will give you the list of computers who have run this application. So no one run this application, so that is the reason it is blank. Okay, cancel. Computers with specific amount of memory, you can run that one. Yeah, choose that one. Okay, that's coming in KB, view report. So these are the computers which has more than 3 GB of RAM, 336, I don't know, 3,67,000 or 36,70,000 memory in KB. Cancel. Computer with specific file. Do you have that one? File name. Just type in ieexplore.exe. Explore ex. No, just one word. explore.exe. Just try this. Okay. So the scanning did not happen for this. That is the reason it is blank. But mostly iexplore.exe is present on each and every computer. So close that. Go down. Specified hard disk size. A specific operating system. Take that one. Choose Windows Server. Okay. So these are the computers with operating system. Close this. Go down. Computer count, IP address, subnet. Go down. Wait. Okay, inactive client details. Go down. There are power management report as well. There are multiple things which you can specify and check whether this exists in report or not. Go down. You can look for installed application, install software on a specific computer. Yeah, software registered in add and remove program, specific computer. Let's say you want to find out which are the computers on which 7-zip is installed. So type in %zip percent zip 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 yeah, because we don't know the exact name of 7-zip, how it appears in the control panel. It will give you, okay. Oh, sorry, compute it needs a computer name. So you need to type in the computer name there. So type in SCCM or database or domain. Make it blank first. Yeah. And click on view report. It will give you the list of application installed in this computer. SCCM has these below applications installed. If you type in domain there, you will get the list of applications installed in domain. Okay, close it. Go down. Software status of software summary compliance for a configuration baseline. Last one. You have created a baseline, right? Choose the baseline value. Yeah, I version check and check whether this is compliant or non-compliant. Collection all system. View report. So which are the computers are compliant? It will give you the report. I version check. One version. Can you go to the right hand side, please? 66% compliant. Two computer are compliant. One computer is non-compliant. Okay, none of the computer is unknown is one. So that means the scanning is not happened on that computer. So two computers reported back that I am compliant. Close this. Go down. Okay, so these are the reports. I would suggest you to just play around with these reports and look what you get. Okay, so that you will get more idea on this. Manasa, anyone does not have this reports apart from Manasa? Anyone else who does not have reports? Everyone has it. Bhargavi, you have it. Lakshmi, you have it. Saichand. Okay, Bhargavi has it. Lakshmi, Saichand. Saichand has it. Lakshmi, I am not in the same page, sir. Okay. What happened? You did not install that one, the report. I'll do laptop issues. Okay. Browse database. Next. Next. Reporting services point is not there. You have already installed reporting. Click on cancel. Yes. Go to monitoring. Okay. Close the console and open again. Okay. Is the database turned on at the moment? Okay. Go back to SCCM, please. Yeah. Remove the role and add it again, please. Go to administration. Go to site configuration and go to server and site roles. No, servers and site roles. Yeah. Right click on the reporting services point below and remove. Next. Next. Reporting services point. Next. Verify. Browse existing account. Shows your name. Okay. Next. Next. Go to database, please. Go to C drive here. Go to mssccm.pepsi.com. Go to logs. Go back. Go to bin x64. Okay. Okay, go to C drive again. C drive and no, C drive and look for program files. Yeah, program files. Go back. Program files x86. Okay, go back. sms. Yeah, click on that one. Logs. Okay, go back. Go to bin x64. Okay, there is some issues here. I need to check what is the issue. Okay, I'll check what is the issue. Okay, if I get time today, otherwise later, and we'll try to fix it. So that's how you can check your you can check the reports. Okay, currently Mansa has issues. with the reporting, but others have the report. I would suggest everyone to just play around with the report, double click on the multiple reports and see how it looks. Okay, we'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Okay, guys, thank you. Good evening, and I hope the session was informative. We'll meet again. Thank you. Bye bye.
Sir,
Yeah,
so what about my Thursday's class?
Thursday class will cover in on Saturday morning. My
Okay.
Saturday night. My Saturday, yours will be Friday night. So
So apart from Thursday class, the other thing I can go parallelly, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.